Ready to turn practical skills into a professional career? With the online plumbing course from One Education, you'll master pipework, fittings, and water systems through flexible, expert-led online training. Gain both CPD and QLS endorsed certification, boosting your credibility and career prospects across the plumbing industry. Start building your future, one skill at a time. You've just explored what this course can offer. Now remember, it's all possible with One Education. We're a UK-based online learning platform, trusted by thousands of learners worldwide. Every course is self-paced, accessible anytime, and comes with a CPD-accredited certificate to boost your CV. Get instant access, tutor support, and unlimited exam retakes, all designed to make learning simple and flexible. Wherever you are, whatever your goal, One Education helps you learn today and lead tomorrow. One Education, your learning, your future.